Welcome to Easy Garage Door Repair, your trusted source for garage door solutions in Texas. Today, we're going to show you how to align your garage door sensors in 11 easy steps. Here's what you'll need for this task. Phillips and/or flathead screwdriver. Wrench set. Measuring tape. A small level for precision. Step 1. Understand the basics. Garage door sensors are located on each side of the door near the ground. They send an invisible beam across the opening. If anything interrupts this beam, the door stops and reverses to prevent accidents. Step 2. Identify the issue. Check if the sensor lights are blinking or one is off. This indicates misalignment. Step 3. Check for obstructions. Inspect and clean the sensor lenses from any obstructions like leaves, dirt, or spider webs. Step 4. Tighten mounting brackets. Use a screwdriver to tighten any loose mounting brackets, ensuring the sensors are firmly attached. Step 5. Adjust sensor positions. Manually adjust the sensors so they face each other directly. They need to be perfectly aligned for the beam to transmit smoothly. Step 6. Use a level. Use a level to ensure the sensors are horizontally aligned and at the same height. Even a small disparity can cause issues. Step 7. Check the wiring. Inspect the wiring for any cuts, breaks, or exposed wires. Faulty wiring can disrupt the signal. Step 8. Inspect for sunlight interference. Direct sunlight can interfere with the sensors. Consider shading them or adjusting their angle. Step 9. Test the door. After adjustments, test the garage door by opening and closing it multiple times. If misalignment persists, revisit the steps. Step 10. Consult the user manual. Refer to your garage door opener's user manual for specific troubleshooting tips. Step 11. Seek professional assistance. If all else fails, contact Easy Garage Door Repair for expert help. Our team of professionals can diagnose and fix complex alignment issues. At Easy Garage Door Repair, we specialize in ensuring your garage door operates safely and efficiently. Serving Texas, especially Houston, we're your go-to experts for all garage door needs. Contact us today to schedule a checkup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials.